Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up an old-fashioned ham salad. If you got your ham left over from Christmas or from Thanksgiving, New Year's, I have some left here. I'm going to keep that ham bone there. I've got mine frozen from Christmas, but I also had extra. So what we're going to do here is chop it up really fine. You could put it in your blender, your food processor. Myself, I like to chop it. I don't want to turn it into paste. You know, you can use your processor, give it a few pulses, but keep an eye on it. You don't want to get it pasty. You can see here how I have it chopped up really well. I mean, I really chopped it. I have about 3 cups. Everything you will be needing for this is in the description box, okay? And if you're new to the channel, please hit that like and subscribe and share, please. Help get me out there, y'all. But this is really good, and it's a good way to use up your ham. With my ham bone there, I'm going to make some beans up with that. But with this here, I'm going to make up some little sandwiches. A lot of people, I don't know if you, have y'all ever tried it with bologna? That's another way. And it's delicious. You may be like, ew, I don't, you know. But the bologna eaters will know. It is good. It's good stuff. So here I have some mayonnaise, mustard, and sweet pickles. I have some very well minced onion. Mince it up really well. And this is going to come together quick. And you want to let this hang out in the fridge for a few hours. Let these flavors kind of hang out with each other here. And it's just so much better if you can like maybe make it up in the morning. And then let it sit for a few hours or till lunchtime. Good little snacking sandwiches. I'm going to put them on some of these, you can get the sweet ones, but I got the savory butter. Get this out of the way. Rolls. These are really good. Or white bread, toasted bread, however you want it. But it comes together really quick. Really quick. So I'm going to go ahead and get my mustard, my sweet pickle relish in here. And we're just going to get this mixed up. And I'm going to let it hang in the fridge for a while, like I said. Everything I'm using, as I said, will be in the description box. So how was everybody's New Year? How was everybody's Christmas? I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper. You put much as you want in yours. Curtis done left. He went back, so now it's just me, my husband, and y'all. So y'all got to keep me company here. What everybody do for New Year's? I hope y'all had a good time and safe and just, you know, being together with everybody and enjoying. That's what it's all about, right? So I'm going to just get this mixed up and we're going to get some sandwiches made up. Okay, friends, there are the little ham salad sliders. They're like little sliders because I'm using the little slider rolls. But y'all give those rolls a try. They're really good. They're the butter savory ones. But these are the little sandwich finger foods for your games you like to watch on TV, your sports get-togethers. These would have been perfect for New Year's. But we made a ham twice already because of Curtis. But anyways, and you can add some celery to that if you'd like, but everything you put in it, finely mince it. these here for you. Of course, I had to make it look like it was a pretty presentation. You could peel a piece of that lettuce off and put it on there. Can you see that there? Delicious little sandwiches and a little bowl of chips with it. I'm going to get a bite. Mmm. Chip. Mm-hmm. Boy, those are good. Put that ham to use, y'all. But everything's in the description box. I hope you guys give it a try. And if you don't have any leftover ham, just because you want some, get you a ham. I used the bone-in ham. Those are the best ones for the ham salad because it's got that nice smoky baked flavor to it. But you guys give that a try. Don't want to talk with my mouth full. Let me swallow that. And until then, you guys take care. Love one another. Eat well. Stay blessed. And we'll see y'all soon. Make you up some. They're delicious. Bye-bye.